Okay, we continue about Google Docs, create Google Docs. Now we go to the insert menu, which of course you can insert like many objects, many items, like image, table, drawing, chart. Okay, let's see step by step. I will say, okay, because I will insert image. Oh, I don't like this font already. I will just use Arial font. Okay, I want to first insert image. So insert image. I can upload from computer. Let's see, if upload from computer, you can browse like your from your computer. I will insert two, let's say two pictures here. So after you insert, you can edit your image. Let's say you can resize like this. You can just like easily resize like this. But if you want to like specific, you can click at the dot here, like image option, and you say like size rotation. So you can change the size if you really want to specific like how the size of your image. And this option lock aspect ratio is like to keep the aspect ratio of the width and the height of your image. Let's say if I don't lock it and I say I want the width of image to 5, see, it will change this image. It will squeeze this image. It doesn't look natural. Or I say 6, it will just do like this to the image. I will just go back to normal first. Now if I say I lock aspect ratio, now it's 3 inch, and if I change to 6, the height is 1.7. If I change it to 6, see, it will automatic change height for me like to 3.37 because I lock aspect ratio. So it's not gonna like ruin my image like that. Or you can also rotate the image, like if you want to flip it, but maybe when your image is in the like horizontal and you want to make it vertical, something, you can always rotate it. Or you can just like put the angle like that. But I would just like go back to 0. I don't want to rotate it. This I add image to from computer. I can always add image from photo. No, I just delete it. Okay, let's say if I want to add image, insert image from photos here. Where is photos? Let's go back to the drive. My drive here, the main drive that you also have it. Let's check here the icon, the dot icon here. You can see like you have many things. You have account, which is Gmail. You have drive. You have calendar. One thing you have is photos. You can always save your photo here, like just back up your photo. So I have quite a lot of photo here. I will just see. I have some like photo saving here. Then back to my document, I say I want to insert image from photos. Well, in the Google Photo, you can also make album. I have quite a few album, but I will just like choose some photo. See, you can see it's the same image from my Google Drive. So if I want to add many image at the same time, I can just click. Okay, let's say I will add 4 of them and insert. Now I have 4 images insert in my document. That's all pretty easy. Next, to insert table, I will go back to the next page, like Control Enter, and I say My Table. I do this because later I will make a title, and I will show you how do you like make the document outline, see the document outline here. So table, you can simply insert table. You can choose how many row and column you want. This is column, this is row. Let's say I insert like this. Maybe somehow I want to insert score. Let's say score 1, score 2 of Jim and Jack. You can always type tab. So let's say Jim got 200, too much, 20, 30, and if you click tab, it will just like jump to the next cell. If you reach the last cell, if you tap, it will automatic add another row. Like that. And if you want to insert column, like you say you want new column here, you want to add column, so you click here this column and you say insert column to the right. If to the right is going here, to the left is going here. So I want to insert column to the right. I say extra score. Maybe I have 5, 2, 3 here. Like that. Same as insert column, I can always delete column here. It's already deleted. I can merge cell. So a merge cell, like I click the cells that I want to merge them and merge cell. Yeah. Maybe I just want to do like this. You can also merge cell here, but well, it really depends on how you design your table. That's how you insert table. You can also insert drawing. Insert drawing here. Well, just it's just like when you draw some object. I don't know, maybe you just want to add something, some drawing. It's just like in Microsoft Word that you draw something. Okay, you save and close. Your drawing will go here. And if later you want to add it, you can click and edit it. So that's your drawing. And next is chart. You can add chart, insert chart here. You can add like bar chart, column, line, or pie chart. Okay, I will show you just like some chart. Okay, I said I add bar chart. It will give you the default bar chart like this. Of course, you can always edit it. By clicking open source. Source is like where you keep your data. So this is the chart that it creates to you, and you click open source. It will create the sheet. By default, the name, it will be just like your file, your Google Docs file. It's like my journey for 004 for fun, and say bar chart 1. And it will show the bar chart. It's just slow, but soon it will pop up here, the bar chart that you see. So you can always edit this data. For example, if I want to say, I want to make a chart of the record of how I spend each month. So I click here. So it changed from team 1, team 2, team 3 to January, February, March, and April. And period 1, here it shows period 1. I will say this is for food. This is for shopping. I can always edit the number. I spend like this for food, and for too much. It will just like, it doesn't look good. Like that. Okay, let's say I edit just like this. And if you don't like this, you can always edit chart. You click edit chart, it will pop up here. For example, chart type, because I choose bar chart, but I just change my mind. I want the column chart like that. So I want it in this way, like to look like this. So I can change from bar chart to column chart. What else do I want to change? I can change, oh, okay, I can click customize here. And let's say Siri, food. By default here it shows blue, but I want to change to green. This green. And then I change shopping to purple, like that. See, it will change from food of food shopping. It's change color here. What else? I say I want to add more items like food shopping, study. I spend this much for study. I add detail here, but it doesn't show in the chart because I have to add here. I have to go to setup and say add Siri. Then I click here. Okay. The study will come to show here. Let's see again. I remove it first. I don't want it, I remove it. So here I have study, but it doesn't show on the chart. I say add series. And I click that look like a table here. And I just highlight here. Then okay, it will go here. I can add more months, of course. I say like that. And if I'm happy with this bar chart, I go back to my document. Oops, it still shows the crap one. I have to click update. See, the bar chart that I edit already come here. So if next time I will edit something, I will put more, I will put more month, I can always come back and say update here. Okay, this file will be saved to your drive. Later it will like, you can see it show here. This is like the file that I made previously. Later it will show this file as well. You can always search for it from the drive. This is how you insert your chart. Next thing I will show is like all together, insert header, footer, or page number. Special character and equation is the same thing that you when you put at the equation toolbars. Let's see, I add the header, footer. Header is like a header of your file, of course. Let's say I say Pioneer Journey. You can say, okay, let's see. See, you will see this Pioneer Journey will show in every page, like that. If you double click here, it will show option. You can click different first page. If you click different first page, the first page doesn't show header, see here. Another page show header, but if you also want header on the first page, you just unclick it. You can insert page number by what this format. Okay, I want page number on the below of the page, so I click here. So this is page 1, page 2, page 3, like that. It's as a footer. And for insert, yeah, it's like that's all. Now for format, it's also important that how you format your document. It's like for text, it's just like you can change the text to bold, italic. You can underline it. You can use your shortcut if you feel familiar to your shortcut. For example, this is like Control B, make it like bold. Or you can click here, click again, like take it off, italic or underline, like that. You can, of course, you can change color, like this. Okay, I will just, I'm not gonna underline it like that, but you can change it here. Now paragraph style. Let's say I want this to be title. So I will make this one like my journey as a title. I will put a font as Saraban. And make it like, let's say 30. So I already happy with this format like Saraban and 30, maybe bold as well. And I want to make this as a title. So I choose like title and update title to match. So from now on, like the title, anything that I want title, I can use as a title because it will be always like Saraban 30. And you can notice that the title will always show on the document outline. Let's see, okay, I don't want this. I did delete it. Oh, okay, maybe I paste it so many times. And this my image. I also want to make it as a title, so I click at my image and say format title, apply title. So it will be like Saraban 30 and bold here. Next, my table. I can also do it here, like title. So it will update here. And you can see like everything that I put as title, it will show in the outline, document outline, like journey, image, table, and my drawing. I say from normal text to title. And if I want something else. My chart. Okay, let's say finish my chart as a title. So I say apply title. I want subtitle. I want to make this as a subtitle. For subtitle, I want font is Saraban, the same thing, Saraban. But size is like 20, and I don't make it bold. So this is subtitle. So I already make it like subtitle. No, I already make it the font that I want, but I haven't make it as a subtitle. So I say like subtitle, update subtitle to match. So next time, like every time that I want subtitle, it will be like this. So if I say my data 2, I want subtitle. So I say apply subtitle. It will be same as my data 1. See, like that. This is how you work with your paragraph style. Align and indent is just here if you want to increase indent, you can increase indent here. Or if you want to decrease it, of course, you can also decrease it. Alignment is like you want to align left, right. It's just like same as here. Line spacing. Line spacing, for example, you want to make the gap between line. The default here is 1.15. If you want to make it like more spacing, you can make double or just one. Is here. You can make 2 columns. For example, if in this here, I want to make it 2 columns, I can do like this. See, here is 2 columns, but it's only on happen to the area that I select. See, you can see here, also here, like it's 2 columns, but the rest is still 1 column. Bullet and numbering. For example, if I say, okay, I see a lot of animal, I want to make this as bullet. I can say format bullet list like that. Or I can always change to this one, like this. And if I don't want bullet, just like delete it. And what else? Numbering. Okay, let's see. I say animal, cow, tiger, lion, fish. Let's say this is now the numbering is like A, B, C, D. Because if I check here, the default is like here. I don't want A, B, C, D. I want like 1.1, 1.2. I can always change it here. See, it will. Next is like add-on that you can get extension. You can like install extension to your Google Drive, like Google Doc. For example, you can, well, there are quite a few add-ons here that you can see which one is like suit your work. Maybe it's this one. Let's check create lead diagram. Okay, maybe if your report or your work want to create diagram, you can just like add it. Just click install and continue. Of course, it asks you to sign your account. Well, actually, before add itself to, okay, allowed it. Actually, before you add it, you should maybe read review first. Okay, it will say done. Here you can write the review if you like. Oh, okay, I didn't read the review. Can't even use it. Is it review? Can't even use it. I don't know why this guy review like that. Or blah blah blah. I don't understand. It doesn't sound English. Terrible app. Okay, it would not add anything. Do not waste your time. Can't even use it. Okay, and that guy is mean can't even use. Okay, so well, most people give a comment like 1 star. So maybe it's really a crap add-on because like anyone can create it. Anyway, if you add any add-on, it will show here like clearly diagram. Maybe it cannot really use it. I don't know. Just like the review said. So if you don't want it, you can manage add-on. And you can just uninstall it, uninstall app. I download some extensive font. I don't really use it, or maybe I will use it later. I will just keep it there. But anyway, this is how you uninstall. And other thing is quite useful. It's like to share. This is what previously I show you how to email to your friend, but this is just email, like you email the file. But how if you want to work with your friend, like this is your assignment, your group assignment, you want to be able to edit, you and your friend to edit it, you can just click here. Okay, do it, check it again, like share. And you can send email to your friend. Let's say I will send to my friend, which is pontiwa.p here. But I want to, before the send, I want to allow her to be able to edit it. So before send, I have to check the restriction here. Because the default is just the viewer. Viewer is like people with the link can view the file. Or people with the link can comment on the file, which is like maybe you want to ask your friend opinion. You don't want them to edit it, but just want them to put the comment here. Or you want your friend to be able to edit it. So in this case, I will show you that I want my friend to be able to edit it. Like this is a group work, so we have to work at the same time, things like that. So I choose here as the editor. And again, I have to go back to add email of my friend. And I say, please check and edit file, like that. So I send this to friend. Back to, you can notice one thing here, only me working here. Then back to my friend. Which is this friend. So my friend, which is Pontiwa, get the file like from Pymania. It says Pymania has invited you to edit the following document, la la la. Then if my friend open the file, yeah, I have to change this as my friend, which is another account. Okay, You can notice this is, for example, this is my friend. So if my friend change stuff here, she can also see like, okay, prime money is in here, and I say I spend lot of money. Okay, this is, see, you can notice here like two people work here. This is Pontiwa and this is Pimania. Back to Pimania account. See, I also see like two people work here. And if I go, see my friend edit this file, I can see like Pontiwa Pawala work here, because like if it's my account, it will show Pimania. Back to here, my friend will also see that Pimania is working here. Like, see, this is edit by Pimania, something. So if Pimania edit something, oh yes, like here. Back to my friend, she also, see, the file is like, the file is editing at the same time, like two or more people can edit at the same time. So this is how you will send, you will work on document on Google Docs and submit as assignment 1, which I will explain later.